Hello, this is Rico Monaco from rmlessons.com and the Passion Theory YouTube channel. I'd like to let you know that I offer private lessons here on the west side of Orlando, Florida, and I also travel to people in the greater Orlando area. So you can contact me through the website. There's email and phone you can contact me through. Also, importantly, I have at the store, we offer the DVD, which I put out some years ago and has sold in 11 countries. It contains 2 DVDs and over 60 different chapters and lesson items, 125 lesson items. And it comes with the worksheets, which I professionally designed. And very excitingly, I think, we have them all available, all these lessons available via streaming now. So you can go to the store and see what you would like, the beginner lessons, or the complete set, which goes all the way to advanced lessons. I'll be posting new items and addendums to the lessons here, and anything from ideas about songs and solos and theoretical items to just updates. And I'll be adding addendums to the current lessons as well. So what I do is I build a foundation for my students based on music theory, the items that I think people need to become a guitarist, musician, you absolutely need. So I build this foundation based on music theory, scales, chords, arpeggios, exercises, songs, solos, improvisation, music harmony, and how to communicate with other musicians, which is important. If you want to get into songwriting as time goes on, I've written a lot of songs and produced a lot of songs here in my studio and had some success with some songs and worked with a lot of big producers from LA and New York and also here. So I can help in many areas. I bring all my experience from traveling and playing music all over the world. If you look around my websites, you'll see some of the things I've done. And you can look at the testimonials from current and former students. So I build this foundation. I give you a workout based on these items. You know exactly what you have to do. And you do, 20 to 30 minutes, 5 or 6 days a week, depending on your age and how much time you have. You put in that and you'll see decent progress. If you put in the effort, you'll see the progress. So I've taught people from 3 to 86 years old. I've taught at the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, School of Arts, downtown Orlando. Some semesters I've taught there. I teach private lessons at the Montessori School of Celebration. And done a lot in the Orlando area and outside. I've played in Paris and New York and Mexico and San Francisco. So I take all my experience and my hundreds and hundreds of students I've taught and do the best I can for you. So contact me, check out the website, browse it, look at the testimonials, check out the store, and if you have any questions about what you think you should order or anything about music or guitar, please don't hesitate to contact me. Send your friends and come back often. All right. Again, music is life. Do your best at playing the guitar and enjoy every minute of it. Thank you.